The annual report of Don Bosco Center School, Manjeshwar 2019-2020. Revered President of the function, chief guests and other dignitaries, teachers and students, parents and well-wishers. It is my customary duty to present before you a brief roundup of the current academic session. Don Bosco Center School Manjeshwar is run by the Salesians of Don Bosco. We commit ourselves to the holistic development of children, bringing out their full potential, thus transforming them and through them the society, following the Don Bosco way, true to the motto of the school, virtue and knowledge. Staff position. This year, we have here full complement of regular staff with principal, 17 teaching and miscellaneous teachers, that is, karate master, band master, and one office staff and 3 supporting staff have been employed against housekeeping, bus service, etc. Student enrollment. Don Bosco Center School has classes from LKG to 10th with 2 sessions for LKG and all the rest with single session. The total strength as on date is 359. Academics. The academic year begins in June and ends in March. The course of study extends from kindergarten to secondary level. The medium of instruction is English, Kannada, Hindi, and Malayalam are the additional languages taught. Art, craft, music, information technology, moral science, and general knowledge also become part of this learning process. The school provides ample opportunity to showcase their findings in general science, mathematics, and social sciences. Every classroom is smartboard enabled. Good library and well equipped laboratory add vitality to the learning process. Remedial teaching, extra coaching classes, tuition classes, group discussion, collaborative learning are provided to the students to make teaching and learning process interesting and easy. Parent Teacher Association. Don Bosco Center School conducts regular meetings of teachers and parents for the academic growth of the students. After each pen paper test, parents are invited in the school to view the answer sheet and discuss the performance of their wards with the subject teachers. Class PTA is also met at opportune times. We are very happy to have 20 PTA executive members along with Mr. Mohammad Ashraf K as the PTA president and Mrs. Shamshad as the vice president. Child Protection Committee, Sexual Harassment Committee, and Child Protection Committee for the current academic year are formed, and we are very happy to have Mrs. Clara Veena, Mrs. Sindhu Mohan, and Mrs. Veena P. in the Child Protection Committee. Co-curricular activities. Our school is known for its variety of co-curricular activities for the students. Co-curricular activities are being conducted on every Monday. Under co-curricular activity, the whole school is divided into 4 houses, namely red, blue, green, and yellow. Band, classical dance, classical music, karate, drawing, teaching musical instruments, art and craft, calligraphy, etc. are given utmost importance. Spiritual formation, Eucharistic celebration, prayer services, catechism and moral classes are part of spiritual and moral formation. Our sense of divine is cultivated in the students. Every activity begins and ends with prayer, guidance, and counseling. A school has counseling facilities for children and experts for giving guidance. We thank Reverend Father Vogis for his availability as a school counselor. Important events in the academic year. Inauguration of the academic year was done by Mr. Harshad Warkadi. House system was inaugurated by Mr. Anup, Assistant Sub Inspector Manjeshwar. We had Grand Onam and Teachers' Day celebration. Inauguration of the club system was done by Sheikh Irfan, who taught our students the rudimentary lessons of archery. On Independence Day, national flag was hoisted by Mrs. Fatima Zura, our ward member. Mrs. Jean Lavina Monteiro, director of Kalas Parsha, was chief guest for the Arts Day. Children's Day celebration was organized on a grand scale by all the teachers. Sports Day was organized in a fitting manner. Mrs. Anusha, junior national throwball player, was the chief guest of the day. Father George Nedunkallel HDB and Mr. Lloyd were the resource persons for the personality development program and motivation class for the high school students. Picnic to Mysore and Beckel Fort gave students extended knowledge and experience of teamwork and togetherness. Field trip to Pilikula, Snehalaya and Plastic Factory provided pragmatic experience to the students. True to the motto of the school, virtue and knowledge, the school is marching ahead with the mission of imparting knowledge based on virtue. Let us remember, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. Thank you.